Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Character Driver back with another video. And today, to be honest, I got a few things going on and I have an idea for a fun video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get to for today's upload. I actually need content for today and tomorrow. Let's see what we got. What's up, guys? So I just found out that my car is going to be here in about an hour. It'll be a little less now. I talked to him maybe 10 minutes ago, and we will be getting the car. We will be putting it in the storage unit, and I'll be able to work on it as much as I want. It's right across the street, literally. It's gonna be easy access. I'm gonna be getting over there, tearing that motor out. I'll have a lot of content to bring you guys, you know, for the videos. Sun's in my eyes here. But yeah, it's gonna be great. All right, guys, here we go. About to go put the car in the storage. He's waiting over here for me. So excited. I can actually start working on my car. There it is. In the storage unit. I'm trying to get a car YouTube channel started, so I just wanted to get a little video of it going in. Oh, okay. All right, it's in. This is where we're gonna be working on it.